Hello, my name is Lakshmi. I am a PhD student in the Human Computer Interaction Lab at UC Merced. In this talk, I will present our work on silent speech and emotion recognition from vocal tract shape dynamics in real-time MRI. The vocal tract is the most important component of human speech production that starts at the vocal cords, continues upwards towards the tongue, and ends at the lips. During air expulsion, this tubular passageway changes its position and shape to produce various sounds and their acoustic representations. Estimating and mapping vocal tract configuration to its corresponding acoustic parameters has long been a challenge, not only because it is difficult to access the vocal tract, but also due to its complex biological structure and rapid movements of its articulators. We built a deep neural network-based learning framework that can automatically estimate the acoustic information corresponding to a specific vocal tract configuration for continuous speech recognition. This, we believe, is the first end-to-end sentence-level articulatory speech recognition framework. The proposed recognition model consists of two submodules: a feature extraction front-end that takes a sequence of video frames to output one feature vector per frame, and a sequence modeling module that inputs a sequence of per frame feature vectors and outputs a sentence character by character. The model is then trained end-to-end using a CTC loss. The softmax output is then decoded with a left-to-right beam search that incorporates prior information from an external language model to recognize the spoken utterance. On the USC TIMIT RT-MRI dataset, our model achieved a 40.6% phoneme error rate at sentence level, which is approximately 30% lower than the existing models. We also performed an extensive analysis on the MR images of emotion-dependent vocal tract movements to compare different emotions and genders. An understanding of whether and how emotion affect articulatory movements during speech production is important to reduce ambiguity in the recognized sentences. For example, the emotional context of the sentence, "I hate you," could inform the system whether it was said sarcastically or literally. The effects of gender on vocal tract movements, in contrast, can increase the accuracy of the recognition system. Results revealed that pharyngeal constriction and releasing were more emphasized for anger. Velar and dorsal constriction region and hard palate region shows more distortion for high arousal emotions than for low arousal emotions. The hard palatal constriction and releasing were more emphasized for happiness than for anger. Labial constriction region shows very less variation for all emotions across gender. For all emotions, female speaker had a more noticeable changes in all regions. We envision numerous applications of this framework. The proposed RT-MRI-based speech recognition system could potentially be used as a medium for input and interaction with various computer systems. It can also enable users to interact with public displays and kiosks without contact, which is of particular interest in global spread of infectious diseases such as the current COVID-19 situation. Most importantly, it could enable people with speech disorder, muteness, and blindness to input and interact with computer systems. Although we do not have the technology to achieve these just yet, the findings of this work shows the potential. Thank you. I'm happy to take any questions you may have about the work. Also, feel free to ask us questions or comment on our work via our social media channels. Thank you.